Hi guys, this is Senna Tazi. He has decided to let his second molar lower deciduous be extracted by a special way. You can have a look at close to the tooth. It's the latest deciduous tooth, and otherwise he has only permanent teeth. So because I'm a little bit worried about inspection of child and child care on those things, I let him sign a form as well as his mother. Otherwise he's gonna sue me when he will be at older age. To make this happen, we secured a thin nylon thread. It's like thick floss, and to avoid that the whole body is coming or the whole jaw, we secured the body with a thicker rope to this heavy little trailer. So now I'm going to push gas. I mean 550 horsepower, it's not necessary, but we're gonna see what's gonna happen. So are you ready for that?
Yep.
Yeah? Sure?
Yep.
Okay, hold on tight. Okay. So this is the result of this acceleration. So we only got the half of the tooth, and Senna is doing well. I don't think he's gonna sue me. Look at this, a little bit bleeding, but it's gonna be fine. It's not infected, and so we wouldn't try it again another time. So it's once a life, and I hope he will keep all his teeth the rest of his life. Ciao.